Our AIIT Troubleshooting Knowledge-Based Assistant acts like your first line of defense when printer problems hit, troubleshooting instantly and intelligently. Step by step, the AI walks the user through common troubleshooting checks, power, network connection, or error messages, using knowledge from a curated IT support base. It helps rule out the basics, all without involving a live agent. But sometimes, the issue runs deeper. If the problem isn't solved, the AI knows when to escalate. The AI creates a detailed, actionable ticket. It includes everything already tried, so your support team doesn't start from scratch. This ensures faster resolution, less back and forth, and lower support costs. From problem to escalation, AI triage simplifies every step, so nothing stalls your day longer than it has to.